Raise your vibration instantly. Achieve your dreams now.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast. I am your Miracle Mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Oh, it feels good to be soaring high like a beautiful eagle. And I want to share something with you. Listen, it's very, very special. Rachel and I, for 2 years in a row, did a special workshop, one in Taos, New Mexico, and one in Las Vegas, Nevada. And it was called Manifesting Beyond Belief and Manifesting Money Beyond Belief. They were hugely successful, and people went through life-changing alterations. Things began to move for a lot of people. Anyway, we have a special webinar. It's free. There's no obligation. We'd like you to attend. StartManifesting.com. Free webinar. Just go there and sign up. Pick a time that is convenient for you. StartManifesting.com. Thank you so much. We believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. So today, our podcast is on raising your vibrations instantly and achieving your dreams now. Because as you raise your vibration, you automatically begin to attract what you desire. You see, the higher your vibration, the more likely that you will be in alignment with the money you desire or the love you crave or the health that you depend upon. So step number 1, create a beautiful, gorgeous visual photo of your dreams. Now, here's how I have done it several times successfully. You create a visual vision board. You use cutouts of different things that you want. Say it's a boat. You have cutouts of the boat that you want, and you have pictures of people enjoying themselves on the boat. Maybe you have a picture of yourself in the center of all this, and it's usually focused on, it's focused on your dreams, something that you really desire in your life. But what I have found is that your mind is more receptive if it is a clean photograph. So when I've created my vision board, I have done it on cardboard, and then I take a picture of it. And I crop the picture, nice, and I use it as a screensaver. I use it on my phone. I frame it, put it in a nice frame, put a couple candles alongside of it, maybe some flowers, so that it really stands out. It doesn't look like something that I made at an art and craft class, in the 9th grade. It looks like something that is professional and beautiful and elegant. And I say I like to put fresh flowers. I like to have the candles, and I put it in a nice gold frame. Can you guess why I chose the color gold? Well, I'll let you guess on that one. Here's the key. You have this picture of what you desire. Now you feast on it. A lot of people will just say, well, you put it up and you kind of walk by it and just ignore it. And you see it. Your subconscious mind sees it. And that's true with a sigil vision board. That's kind of how that works. But this is something that when you walk by or when you look at for a moment, you feast on the experience. You feel it in your body. It feels absolutely wonderful. And then you discuss it. Sometimes you'll discuss it with your husband or your wife or your business partners, but you discuss it on a regular basis. This is going to be absolutely incredible when we have this new sailboat. This is where we're going to go. This is what we're going to do. Hey, I just thought of this. We can put this on the boat as well, and you just discuss it as if the boat was already parked at the marina with your name on it. You talk about it and you meditate on it. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. I like the 2 candles on each side. I like the flowers in the back. I look at the picture, and then I close my eyes. And the next thing you know, I'm on that sailboat. And we're sailing along Catalina Island in Southern California. We drop anchor. We crack open a bottle of champagne. And we just sit back on the deck and relax and enjoy the warm summer sun. You get the idea? You add some juice to it. You add some energy to it.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.
Step number 2. Daily, every single day, you set micro goals in the direction of your dream, and you take action. It may only be a phone call. It may be ordering a brochure. It may be answering an email, but you take action every day in the direction of your dreams and goals. Look at it. You've got to have some action involved. There is no attraction without action. It is absolutely essential. I hear so many law of attraction gurus, and, they're smooth, but they will tell you, well, all you got to do is write it down and put it in a little box, and it'll just manifest all by itself. Well, oftentimes that is the case. That does happen. But usually there was action involved. As a matter of fact, not usually, all the time there was some action involved. People that will talk to you about the money that they have made, and they'll say, well, I wrote this goal down. But they don't tell you about the 12 hours of work that they put in every day to earn that money, to attract that money, to build a funnel for that money to flow through. So micro goals and action toward your dreams every day. Number 3, assemble a positive support team. If you have naysayers, they're cut off the team. Naysayers do not belong on the team. Assemble a support team. Choose people carefully. Positive people. People that have ideas. People that can give you good advice. Find the right people. And also find good quality coaches. A business coach. A motivational coach. A law of attraction coach. A coach for your physical body. Get the right kind of coaching around you, because that will help you be more effective, and nothing raises your vibration than achievement, success, and effectiveness. And finally, number 4, everyday gratitude for what you have already received. Act as if you've received whatever it is that you desire. Whether it's a new relationship, a marriage, a new boat, a new car, a new home, act as if you have received it, because it's in your energy field and you are creating it right now. And be grateful for all the wonders that have already come into your life. It's amazing what gratitude will do. There is not one thing stronger in raising your vibe than gratitude on a daily basis. Be grateful, get excited about your gratitude, and get excited that you are going to manifest your desires now. They're starting to manifest. They are unfolding before you. They are happening in your life. You will have, oh yes, you will. You're going to soar like a beautiful eagle, high flyers. You will have the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. This is your time. This is your year. This is happening right now. Raise that vibe and accept a miracle in your life. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.